In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an animated nighttime scene using some very simple assets that I'll also show you just in a second. And the end result video, I'll play a little bit of that first. Looks a bit like this. So it's going to be a bedtime story, and we have some text. And then we introduce some stars that twinkle, some of them move, and then some more text. And a Doodly asset for the snowman. Now, and then the video runs for about 20 seconds just so you can see the effect of the twinkly stars. That's what we're aiming for. Now to do that, all I needed was some static images that I created in a graphics package. There's the first one, it's just a star. Second one, third one, and then I went into this animation program Hype and created this document which allowed me to create a scene where I just drag these stars into various places and we end up with this. So this graphic is all we're going to use in the doodle. This is an animated GIF, and all it does is display these stars, various combinations of these stars, and has one of them moving and some of them twinkling. That's really it. So, but all we really need is this animated GIF, and I'll put this up in the file section in the Doodly design group for everyone to use if they want it. I'll show you how I did the scene. So let's come out of that and we'll go into Doodly. And I've got a new video ready to start here. I'm going to set the background to black so that I've got my nighttime scene. Here we go. And I've just got one scene here. I've already imported my animated GIF and I've called it Starry Night. There it is. And the reason I had to make the background black right away is that these stars are all white. So if I drag that on here, so that's kind of cool right there. And let's make that a bit bigger so it covers the whole screen. That's kind of nice there, actually. And you can make as many copies of this as you like. So to do that, I'm just clicking in the item list here, and I'm doing Control-C, Control-V. And we'll move it down to the bottom. Maybe make it a slightly different size so it's not too obvious that it's a copy. And then we'll do Control-C, Control-V again, get another copy, and this time we'll rotate it. You can achieve quite a lot just by rotating things to make them look a bit more random and rescaling them and so on. Control-C, Control-V on that. Get some more stars over here. Okay, so you get the idea. I'll do maybe two more. Like that. There we go. That's plenty of stars there for this demo. And what I forgot to do was make sure the duration was 0 because I don't want these to be drawn. I want them to just appear and then start twinkling. So I'll just set all these durations to 0 seconds. Okay, and now we can preview that. Now the reason you're not seeing any twinkling is that it's previewed all of these assets. They've all got 0 second duration, 0 second delay. So there's no time to watch them twinkling. So all we have to do is change the scene settings. So we've got, say, 20 seconds after everything's been rendered. And that will give us time to see the animated GIFs doing their thing. And now if I preview that, you'll see the twinkling of the stars. Okay, now back to the project that I was trying to achieve. So I'm going to go into some text. And let's choose a nice little font. This is quite nice, I like that one. And of course, it needs to be visible, so let's make it white. And that'll do. And we'll make it bigger. that's up here, and that can go all the way to the top. We will copy that one. And we'll give this a delay. So this is going to be a 2-second delay. And let's do another one here. Right, that'll do. I'm not going to go through the whole project, but you will see the effect. Oops, need to move that one. Need to move that one up the top. Okay. Right, that looks about right. So what's going to happen here is this piece of text will be drawn, then this piece of text when there's no stars, then all the stars will be drawn immediately, and then there'll be a pause, and then this piece of text here. So let's try that. Let's save this as well as we go. And preview. There's the stars. And that's that. Okay, now as I said, I will put these stars up in the file section of the Doodly design group on Facebook, and you really only need this group of stars because it already has the animation, and you can scale it, you can move it, you can twist it so that it looks like a bit more random stars in your doodle. And that's really it for this video. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want more of these, and I'll see you in the next one. And here is the final project using just a black background in Doodly with a few pieces of text, one snowman graphic from the assets section, from the props section, and my animated GIF for overlaying on the background. Hope this was useful. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Thanks.